Hello, I'm going to show you how to install a PCI Express video card inside your desktop computer. This is a customer's computer, this is not mine. That's why, as you can see, is an HP only. So, we're going to take the GPU. You see these pins here. Yes, that's a little dusty. It needs to be blown out. These pins are going to go into those pins. So, we're going to make sure we get them lined up. And make sure your bracket over on this side is also lined up. Once you get them lined up, push it in, and you will have a nice click. This lever right here is how you release it. And don't forget to put your screws in your mounting holes, such as here and here. And if you have a powerful enough GPU, be sure to remember to plug in your PCI power connector. It only goes one way. You can see where the clip is. You can see the clips on these. Hope this helps. And be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.